Hey everybody, hope y'all are doing well out there. So I just got finished recording a whole bunch of new mbira and guitar lessons for the Patreon site. And so if you're interested in checking that out, you can go to patreon.com/mbira. It's M as in Mike, BIRA. And there's hundreds of lessons there now on mbira, guitar, matepe, hosho, singing, Shona language, music theory. Got a lot of my own music there, all sorts of stuff. And I've been doing this for almost 3 years now, so it's interesting. It's almost become sort of like a diary and a chronicle of our life over the last 3 years as well. So I sort of imagine people that go back and watch lessons and videos from 2 years ago, and even during times when Kevin was sick and all that, like it would be a really unique way to get to know me more if you're wanting to do that. But don't go there just to get to know me. Go there to learn mbira music because it's beautiful stuff. So I just want to make this quick video to just kind of talk about what we are going to be doing these next couple of months. Look at my notes. So I did, yeah. So I'm kind of doing something different. I was working with Kevin, who's in Kupira, on some mbira stuff, and I was showing him this technique on mbira music where you can play, and on your right hand side you do these ascending 3-note. I'm calling them melodic fragments. So they're like dun 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 dun. It's a 3-note ascending line that happens within the music. And if you think of it as like a 4-phrase thing, then therefore you're going to have 8 ascending 3-note melodic fragments that will happen throughout the entire song. So that's kind of a technique or a concept that can be applied to lots and lots of mbira songs. And I got the idea, why don't we do that in the Patreon? So we're focusing on that one concept. And so I did a lesson on Nemam Sasa, on Kushaura, where we do that on Nemam Sasa. And then we do another lesson in Mahororo to do that. We do 2 on Mavembe tuning. We do one with Chipemberi on Mavembe, and then another lesson on Marenge. And then finally a Nyamaropa tuned lesson on Shumba using that. So if you counted, that's 5 different lessons that are all exploring this same concept from 5 different songs. And I'm really excited about that. I think that's going to be a way for those of you that are doing this to really like lock this concept in, so that hopefully you'll now be able to use that on all of your other songs too. That's kind of the idea. So that's 5 mbira lessons on that. And then I decided, I've been having a lot of people asking for some more guitar, probably just from seeing me playing guitar here, and I've been getting more back into guitar, which I love. So I was thinking about that, and I'm starting so we did a lesson on the basic chord changes, the dyadic mbira style harmony on the guitar. So again, we looked at Nemam Sasa, that chord change, that 1 3 6 1 4 6 2 4 6 1 3 5 dyadic chord progression. That's the most common mbira progression, and we look at doing that on the guitar, building the dyads from that. Might sound complicated if you're not a music person, but it's actually a really simple way of getting into the music on the guitar. It's a great base, a great fundamental strategy that will take you into songs. So speaking of songs, we also did another mbira lesson, another guitar lesson on Nemam Sasa, on the mbira, the upper left core melody, the Kushaura melody of Nemam Sasa on the guitar. We're looking at that progression, and we're just playing that so that you'll then at least have a line that is a Nemam Sasa line, unquestionably, to have that. We did another guitar lesson then on Nemam Sasa Kutsunita, the upper left bass Kutsunita that often we put on the baritone marimba in the band. We play that on the guitar, and I show doing some octave substitutions for that. And is that it? Oh, yeah. And then last, we look at on guitar again a 1 4 1 5, the party style progression. in one position. I think we've touched on this before, but I go into a little more detail, kind of with the idea of having this be as another good like starting point, sort of foundational building block for future guitar stuff. So if we count that up, what is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 mbira lessons, and then 3 guitar lessons, doing the editing and all that, and these little sort of talking intros today. And hopefully I'll be getting these lessons posted and scheduled on Patreon over the next 2 days. All right, y'all, take care. Bye. Oh, again, patreon.com/mbira. All right, love you guys.